A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas. Paulding, Georgia, at 7:25 p.m. on January 30th, 2026, effective until further notice. Message from WAGA-TV. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Paulding County Sheriff's Office and the Dallas Police Department. There have been many reports of children being kidnapped in the Paulding County area, specifically targeting individuals between the ages of 3 and 14. Law enforcement officials are urging all residents to remain vigilant and take immediate precautions to ensure the safety of their children. Parents are advised to keep their children close and report any suspicious activity to authorities immediately. If you observe anything unusual or if your child goes missing, please call 911. Your cooperation is crucial in helping to prevent further incidents. Stay alert, and together we can protect our community.